Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change phone number in your Signal account. So if you want to change your phone number in the Signal account, first of all you have to open up your Signal application, and after opening your Signal application you have to tap on your profile icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on your profile icon you have to tap on accounts, which is the first option, and after tapping on accounts you can find change phone number option. Just tap on that and now tap on continue, and after tapping on continue, here you have to enter your old phone number and then enter a new phone number, and after entering a new phone number tap on continue, and after tapping on continue you will receive a 6-digit code. You have to enter that 6-digit code. After entering that 6-digit code you will successfully change your phone number in your Signal account. So this is how you can change phone number in your Signal account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.